Namaste students. In the earlier video, we have read the poem Why and we have discussed the poem paragraph by paragraph. Today we will be discussing the English workshop session of this poem. Now, remember one thing. I will be giving you the answers to every question from this workshop. But remember that you should write your own answers in your own words with your own experiences. You can use my answers like guidance, but it will be more appreciated if you write your own answers. स्वतःच्या शब्दांमध्ये उत्तरं लिहिली की तुम्हालाही समाधान मिळेल आणि तुमच्या टीचर्सला सुद्धा आवडेल. Okay, so let's begin with the English workshop.
The first question is, read the poem, discuss and complete the following blanks with proper action words. Now what are the action words? Action words means verbs. Now we have to complete the following blanks with proper verbs that are already mentioned in the poem. Wood, swim. Marbles, sink. Stars, shine. Winds, blow. The next question is, discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of the words from the poem. We have to find the rhyming words from the poem and write the pairs. Let us find the rhyming words. Why, buy, sink, drink, sky, die, nose, flows, fly, sky, stone, bone. These are the rhyming words. Now if you see, the rhyming words are typically in the second and the last line of every paragraph. Why poem मध्ये why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by and by या लाईनमध्ये why या शब्दाला रिपीट केला आहे. अशा रिपिटेशन्समुळे कवितेला जास्त परिणामकारकता मिळते. अशा अलंकारास रिपिटेशन असे म्हणतात. Repetition is a figure of speech in which one or more words are repeated in the same sentence. For example, you can find out the repetition examples from this poem as well as you can find out the examples of repetition from many other poems that you have studied. In the next question, we are given a web diagram. In that web diagram, we have to complete the following fill in the blanks. The little boy wants to know. Why? In this poem, the little boy wants to know so many things. But we can point out few things to fill in the blanks. The little boy wants to know why the ice should melt, why spiders eat the flies, why bees should sting, and why stars should shine. In the next activity, we have to complete the web diagram. In the first web diagram, we have to mention the words from the poem related to the environment. The first example is given. It is wind. Now, let us complete the web with the words that are in the poem. Stars, stone, clouds, sky, flowers. In the next web diagram, we have to mention the words that are related to animals, fruits or insects. Seeds, apple, fish, spiders, bees, and flies. The last question is about framing questions about an interview. Imagine a senior student from your school has won a national level quiz contest. म्हणजे इमॅजिन करा की एका सिनियर विद्यार्थ्याने तुमच्या स्कूलमधल्या एक नॅशनल लेवलची क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट जिंकली. तर त्याची तुम्हाला इंटरव्ह्यू घ्यायची आहे. तर अशा इंटरव्ह्यूसाठी 8 ते 10 क्वेश्चन्स तुम्ही तयार करा. आता असे क्वेश्चन्स तयार करताना आपण नेहमी हे लक्षात घ्यायचं की ते क्वेश्चन्स आपल्याला पॉईंट टू पॉईंट बनवायचेत. त्या क्वेश्चन्समध्ये आपल्याला हे हायलाईट करायचं आहे का त्या व्यक्तीची अचीवमेंट त्याने कशी अचीव केली, त्या व्यक्तीने कसं प्रिपरेशन केलं आणि त्या व्यक्तीचे काय फीलिंग्स आहेत. So for example, we can ask such questions. First of all, congratulate the person. So we will begin by saying, congratulations for your great success. How do you feel after winning such a contest? Now this is a big achievement to win a national level quiz contest. So we have to congratulate and then ask the feeling about winning such a contest. Next we can ask, have you received such recognition before? Please give us the details. Who has inspired you to take part in such quiz contest? How did you prepare for this quiz? What is your plan for the future? Who helped you in make your dream come true? What is the role of our school in your achievement? How are your parents feeling about your achievement? Such kind of questions will make your interview effective and interesting. You can make your own questions, and if you want, you can practice this interview with your parents or with your friends. Good luck. That's all for the workshop session of the poem Why. I hope I have helped you with all the answers to all the questions. Please don't forget to write the answers in your own words and share your own experiences in your answers. Till then, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video as much as possible. Good luck and thank you.